What's up, everybody? Today we're going to make a white chocolate blueberry lasagna for dessert. Start by grabbing 36 Oreos, crush them up, take about 6 tablespoons of butter, go ahead and melt that down. Once that's fully melted, go ahead and put that in the Ziploc bag of crushed Oreos. We're going to take a 9 by 13 and we're going to go ahead and pat that Oreo crust down as tight as possible, but you get what you can get because it's going to go in the refrigerator while we do the rest of the work anyway, so it'll stiffen up. So once we get that in there, let's start the filling. We're going to take an 8-ounce brick of cream cheese and a full stick of room temperature butter. We're going to add a cup of powdered sugar, give that a mix so you get something that looks like that. We're going to take about a cup and a half of Cool Whip and also mix that in. Once you have something that looks like this, we're going to take about a cup and a half of fresh or thawed frozen blueberries. We're going to take our crust out and spread that mixture of the blueberry cheesecake tasting type of stuff on there. Go ahead and take 2 boxes of white chocolate Jello pudding. Put that in the bottom of the bowl and add 3 cups of milk. Give that a good mix until you start feeling it thicken up. You'll know what I'm talking about when you start doing it. Once that's thickened, go ahead and take 2 ounces of freeze-dried blueberries and blend them up so you get a fine powder. And go ahead, stick that in your pudding mixture. Give that a good mix. It'll look like this. You're mixing it up. When you're done mixing it, go ahead and stick it on top of the blueberries. Give that a nice spread out too. Just like this. Kind of like icing a cake. Feel me? Take the leftover Cool Whip and do your best to spread it out. You might need another tub of Cool Whip also. Take white chocolate. We used a cheese grater to grate the white chocolate on top. I'm sure you guys can figure something else out. But yeah, once you got it all nice and decorated like that, go ahead and stick it in the refrigerator for about 3 to 4 hours so it'll stiffen up all the way. And then you get something that looks like that. And it tastes divine. I promise you. Trust the process and don't mind the mess in the mustache. Thanks again, everybody, for watching. I hope you all enjoyed it. Let me know down in the comments what you think. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. See ya!